My back can kill me. Grandson,
Yes, sir.
off to the country now.
Alright, Grandpa.
Yeah, man.
You ready?
Yeah, man, ready. Good time, I see. Hey, boy, I go to country and drink enough coke like water and all that shit, you know.
Yes, Grandpa. Safety first. Safety
Yeah, man.
first.
Yeah, safety first. Safety first. Put on the camera. They sitting them. The damn foolishness at the pan. Anytime when I drive now, they depend the damn we then call it the book face or whatsoever.
No.
And,
No,
Chuck.
Grandpa. I snap you, man. I snap you.
What you say?
Snap you.
You want to slap me? What damn face the boy? What do you mean you want to slap me? Eh? Take your backside and me say me carry go a country. Go drink 2 coconut and you come to fart but you want.
Me say snap you.
And you say it again? Eh? What you want to slap me for? Tell me, what you want to slap me for? No. Me hold you from you piss up yourself. Remember I want you piss on my food. And now, because you go, me say you go to school.
Me say snap.
Are you going to say it again? You damn face you out of that bitch you. Eh? Your mama run gone to England left you. And you put on my damn teeth in the prison. And you come to me say you want to slap me?
Grandpa, me say me gonna snap you.
Don't tell me that backside. Come out of my car, man. Come out and go back to your grandmother. Come out.
Grandpa, you understand me? Me say.
Me don't understand you. Only if you understand you want to come slap me. Where you slap me for?
Me never say me gonna snap your Grandpa, not slap you.
They're not nice thing you say.
No, Grandpa. All right,
Son, grandson.
All right, let me.
If you say you want to slap me, what you want to slap me for? And you keep on and say, what you have against me? Eh? And then you run your papa go in prison. You hear me say? Your damn papa was a blasted thief.
Are your
You
jeans?
understand? You understand?
Are your
You
jeans?
blasted my jeans. Him is a damn jacket.
All right.
Jacket.